Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I am doing a vendor review kind of thing. So this vendor actually reached out to me on Instagram to review their lashes and basically give you all a free vendor. So of course I have to see if this vendor is worth our time. So that's really what this video is gonna be. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video. But first, like always, I always promote myself a little bit. So make sure you all check out, wait, let me get these cards right. Make sure you all check out my business. Okay. Make sure you all check out my business, Casino Lashes. Make sure you check us out on Instagram. Follow us. I always put all the information in the description box. And plus, I have a special code for the people who watch me on YouTube. So the code is just YouTube. Just put that in the little promo code area for a percentage off your order. So anyway, you guys, here's the package. I think we should go ahead and get into it. So where are my scissors? Sorry, guys. So I just ran out of printer cartridge on my printer. So now I'm using the printer in my dorm, but soon I'll be buying it again. So yeah, if you all have not checked out my other entrepreneur videos, I have a video on how to find a vendor, like things to look for. I have a video on how I ship orders, how I make all my flyers, how I made my business cards, unboxing videos. I have all of that, and it's a whole playlist on my channel. So make sure you're subscribed to me. Make sure you check that out and everything, because I know I get a lot of emails, and I always say I don't care. You all can definitely message me on Instagram if you have a question, but make sure you watch those videos first, because if it's something I said in the video, I'm not gonna say I'm not gonna respond, but I'm gonna take my time responding. But yeah, just make sure you watch those before you ask me a question. Like, some questions will be personal, and I understand, yeah, of course you gotta ask me that, you know, but sometimes I'm like, I already said this in a video. So yeah. Ooh, let me try to open this. Okay, so the company's name on Instagram is Long, L-O-N-G-C-O Lashes. So Longco Lashes. Open it, open it, open it. Let's see what we have. Oh, let me not put my Addy out there. Let's see what we have here. This is kind of a weird way of packaging. So it only took a week to arrive, which is pretty cool. So yeah, if you order from them, it may take only a week. So this is like a little square. It's all like sectioned off really weird, but this is like a square on here. So let's open it and see what I have here. See what we have here. Sorry, you guys. Let's see. Okay. So I see. So the first sample is like a little 1, 2, 3, 5 pack like this. So they're kind of wispy actually. These are a little more natural but also wispy. So these are like 5 different types of styles here. So let me try to turn it to the side so y'all see. It is wispy. Yeah, I kind of like some of these. I would definitely double these up. Like, if you watched me from the beginning, you know I double up all of my lashes all the time. So these are some lashes I would definitely end up doubling up. But they do have that little wisp on them. They do have that little wisp. They are soft too. Interesting. The thing I really wish this company did was tell me the prices. I'll look on their stuff. Like, so this company actually messaged me on my Madam Brittany Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, Madam Brittany, to do this video. But then later they messaged me on Casino Lashes. I don't think they know that's my account too, but they like told me their prices started at $1. So that was pretty cool. Like, oh, please work with us, or you know, whatever for Casino Lashes, but they didn't know it was me. So let me open this next little square. Like, I don't know, if you have your Lash page already, you know you get a bunch of emails, like a bunch of messages from vendors, like all the time. Like, it's crazy. So it's not hard to find a vendor at all, but a trustworthy one that's actually going to listen to you and give you a good product is not an easy task at all. And one that's not gonna cheat you, that's not easy. So, so basically, okay, so all of these are labeled like 1 through 5, and these are 6 through 10. So I have all of these on one. Then the next are these. So basically, I guess they wanted to show me every single style they have on here. So, I kind of like style 7 is kind of cute. Let me show it. Let me take it out of here because I know it has a weird glare on it. Ooh. So style 7 is this one. I like lashes like this. They're super fuzzy, you know? Oh, I could definitely see myself doubling these up and making a look out of them, a real look. But yeah, these are pretty soft. I don't know, I have to do that. I had to smell it. But I don't know if these are silk or not, honestly. I know they offer silk and mink, but if I had a lighter, I would definitely set these on fire real quick for you all. But I don't know. So let's see. So I have 2 more squares left, basically, but these are the big squares. So let's see what we have in here, you guys. Oops. Y'all, have y'all listened to this Summer Walker album? I just can't get that song out of my head. I don't want to start singing on here, but I just can't get it out of my head. Ooh, okay. Okay. So I think, based on looking at them, I think these are probably silk lashes. And right here, baby, we got the minks. We have the minks on deck. And these are very pretty, I can tell already. So let me open it. We got the minks. We have the minks. So I may need to put something behind here. What can I put behind here so you all can really see them? So I think they probably sent me one of every style they have. So I like this style a lot. So this style is 3D07. This is 3D10. I kind of like this one too. This will be kind of cute. Especially like these Halloween looks. Yeah, I think these are the mink ones. A nice little thick beak fan, which is always nice. I like these too. Yeah, these are kind of cute. So yeah, make sure you all can see. Yeah, those are kind of cute. Wait, no. So let's move over to the last little square. Okay, finally got it, I think. So this is another little black one, like the last one. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, these are better. These are definitely better. Hold on, I think, wait a minute. I think these are actually false mink lashes. Don't look like it though at all to me, but they say they're false mink. So let me put the little paper behind it. Oh, it has paper behind it. So yeah, here they are. This would be super cute if you just sold, if you could sell this like by like all 6 pairs together. But yeah, this is how it looks. I like this pair a lot. So this pair is 03 and I like 1. 03 and 1. I would definitely double these up and make a look, baby. I do think all of these would have to be doubled up by me because that's the kind of person I am. So yeah, so let me put these together. So yeah, this is what. So I guess it's like 12 styles. I don't know if they have more or not. I really like 7 over here. This is my style. But yeah, these are super cute, especially if I wanted to start selling silk mink lashes, which I may want to do. I have like this really cool idea. Well, silk or false mink lashes, like I have a really cool idea for that. So when I start doing that, because those lashes really usually run like $1 or even less sometimes, like 80 cents. So I have a really cool idea for that. And it'll give people that don't want to spend like $10, $13 on a pair of lashes a way to get nice lashes and a way for me to make a profit. If it's only 80 cents, I could sell it for $5 and make a nice little profit, right? So yeah, these are super cute to me though, especially for false mink lashes. These are super cute, especially these at the bottom. So yeah, that is everything. I showed you those 2 sets. Then we had these. Wish they would have given me some kind of description, but of course I'll make sure I put their Instagram in the description box of this video. Oh wait, I wonder, can I put this little gold thing behind it? Can't find it. But anyway, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, Madam Brittany, and follow Casino Lashes. Check out my website. Remember to use that promo code YouTube, or even if you are subscribed to the email list, you get even more promo codes. So use one of those promo codes, get you a little change off of there, get some chips off your order or whatever, like I like to say. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Remember to have a great day. Bye guys.